Hi Beth, happy 50th birthday. Junior citizen ka na. Pero age is just a number, kung tagapaguri. Pero para ikaw pang bunso eh. Oh, walang magagalit na mga ano dyan. Pero totoo naman, di ba? I hope enjoy your birthday. Enjoy ka mga aming magkakapatid. Kumusta na naman kayong lahat. Alam ko na ikaw ay pinakamabait, natulungin sa mga kapatid, natulungin sa mga kamag-anak. Ay sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday pa. Laging enjoy. Siyempre wish ko good health ka lagi. Ano masasabi ko? Thank you sa lahat. Lalo na kung umuwi kami. Thank you. Enjoy na lawang ang birthday niyo dyan. Kayong lahat mga kapatid. Bye! See you soon! We love you! Happy 50th birthday uli! Enjoy!
To my long-lost cousin, happy 50th birthday, Pecha. Oh my gosh, I have not seen you in years. Literal na dekadas, but anyway, I wish you the very best day, but just a little bit more so today. I want you to know that you are awesome. I always remember how clever and brainy you are, especially in numbers. It's like Beth equals math. Anyway, I hope that today brings you all the happiness in the world, which you so very deserve. You're always in my heart. Oh well, not only you, of course, but everyone else in the family. I love you and I miss you all. I'm hoping and praying to see you all soon. Pecha, I am very proud of you. But anyway, happy birthday to us. But yours is more special. I love you. Sorry, nasa galahan ako. Peace.
Hello, Beth! Happy 50th birthday! Welcome to the club! I know kahit hindi tayo malimit mag-usap, deep in our heart, we love each other. I miss you very much. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your birthday celebration. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Beth! You're truly a blessing to all your family and friends, and I'm very grateful to be considered as one. So, on this day, I just wish you a happy birthday and good health always. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday again!
Happy 50th birthday, Beth. Have fun.
Go. Happy birthday, Miss Beth. I love you, miss you. Don't get too cold.
Ate.
Wish you good health. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Miss Beth. We love you. We miss you. Stay pretty and always good health. Take care always.
Hello everyone, I'm Cheryl and I'm the former employer of Beth here in the Philippines. To the birthday girl, welcome to the golden years. Happy 50th birthday, my love. I know that you are successful out there, you are happy right now, and you deserve it. And I'm so proud of you. You deserve it because you are a hardworking person. You are a beautiful, incredible person, my love. And I just want to thank you for the memories that we had here in the Philippines and to being a good ninang to Shedrick and Tita of Sarah. I will always include you in a prayer in your family to protect you, bless you even more. Enjoy the rest of the night, my love, and you deserve it. I'll miss you. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday! We miss you. We want to come visit you soon. But wishing you a happy birthday. God bless. Bye!
Today or tonight is your night. Shine bright like a diamond. O, diba? I remember, dalawa tayong nagplano ng, What I mean, ng party mo na yan. It's so sad na wala ako dyan. Pero alam mo naman na kahit wala ako, alam mo ako yung number one na fan mo, di ba? Agree ka dyan? O, di ba? Ang dami mong pinagdaanan, ang dami mong stress, dahil dyan sa big night mo na yan. Pero for sure, alam ko lahat ng stress mo, lahat ng pagod mo, mawawala lahat yan sa big night mo. Na magsishine ka sa lahat. Given the fact na yung gown mo talaga is, gown ni Jessie Mendiola. Iba ka. Pero alam mo naman na kung ano yung nafe-feel ko for you. Thankful ako na dumating kayo sa buhay ko for the past 12 years. 12 years, more than 12 years. Thankful ako. Alam mo yan. Hindi lang kayo normal na kasama sa bahay. Kayo ang nagbigay ng family sa akin all throughout more than 12 years na nandyan ako sa Dubai. Mag-isa ko lang, wala akong family dyan sa Dubai, pero nang dahil sa inyo, hindi ko na feel na nag-iisa ako. Yung love nyo sa akin, solid. As in, madami tayong pinagdaanan, ups and downs, may COVID, may everything, ang dami, everything, di ba? Basta, nandyan lang kayo. Nakita nyo ako to my lowest hanggang sa nagiging masaya ako. So, thankful ako. So, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is kung ano yung dinedesire ng heart mo, I know, bibigay ni God yan. Masyado kang mabait para hindi ka niya i-bless. I wish na i-bless ka niya ng sobra-sobra, as in bonggang-bongga, para mas madami ka pang blessing na ma-share sa iba. Dahil yung puso mo napakabuti. Ang dami mong natulungan, napakabuti ng puso mo. Uy, puro Tagalog ah. Sorry, Perty. Translate na lang ni Beth. Ang hirap mag-English. Nosebleed. Pero hindi. Masaya ako kahit wala ako dyan. I'm sure you're gonna shine. You're gonna shine like a diamond. And I'm wishing you all the best. And lagi mong tatandaan, wala man ako dyan sa Dubai. Malaking adjustment man na hindi na ako dyan. Yung love ko sa inyong lahat, hindi magbabago. Ayokong maging madrama. Kasi tapos na tayo sa drama. Dapat puro positive na lang. Dapat puro magaganda na lang. So, enjoy mo lang. Enjoy mo yung buong gabi mo. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Dahil madaming nagmamahal sa'yo. Isa na ako doon, kami ni Iya, na minamahal ka. At kahit anong mangyari, kahit magkalayo tayo, hindi na mababago yun. I'm just a phone call, chat, or video call away. Again, happy 50th birthday. Stay fabulous and walwala na. I love you and I miss you. Miss ko na kayong lahat. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Beth! Love you!
Surprise! Beth, happy 50th birthday and I wish you all the best. Beth, magbalabalo nga ni ko. Taagiddo mo tanyakan. Anadwato anako. Sana hindi ka magbabago hanggang pagtanda mo. Paray na kwan, tiyawa na yafo, ipya naggawagawaya mo. Regards to all, and I love you. Sana all.
Hello, Boss Beth! Happy 50th birthday! More birthday, 50 years, and all blessing to you.
Hi Beth! Happy 50th birthday! Hope to see you soon. Hi Misha! Hi Ray! Bye!
Please, maligayang bati sa iyong karawan.
Ate Guri, buon compleanno. Ciao, ciao.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ning.
I love you.
Happy birthday
to you. It should be in Italian, no? Wait.
Guri
ate, guri ate, auguri
felici.
tanti auguri ate.
Hi Beth, I want to greet you in this memorable celebration of your life, celebrating your 50th birthday. I wish you good luck, good health, long life, and happiness you deserve. Enjoy what life can offer. It's party time, it's a celebration. Enjoy, enjoy, and enjoy. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Mama Beth. Wishing a day filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you bring to others. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Beth. I love you.
Happy birthday to the most beautiful sister and generous sister in the world. Enjoy your birthday. I love you so much. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Sisi. I hope you enjoy your day. Have a blessed night today and good health and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Mama. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Beth. Grabe, 50 ka na. Pero to be honest, parang hindi ka naman tumanda. Hindi halata sa itsura mo. Tumanda ka lang by number, but still young at heart and appearance. Sis, sa special na araw na ito, gusto ko lang malaman mo kung gaano ka kahalaga sa amin. Lalo na sa akin. Hindi ko man lang palaging sinasabi to sa'yo, pero buong puso akong nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa akin. Salamat dahil tinuturing ka namin na parang pangalawang nanay na sa bawat hakbang ng buhay ko. Simula na nag-college ako, alam mo yan. Hanggang ngayon may sarili ng pamilya, nariyan ka sa tabi namin. Ikaw yung ate na tahimik, pero matatag na sumusuporta. Na kahit hindi mo na kailangan gawin, ginagawa mo pa rin sa lahat para gumaan ang buhay namin. Hindi ka lang kapatid, isa kang gabay, sandalan at inspirasyon para sa amin. Your love is so selfless. Kahit pagod ka na, kahit may sarili kang dinadala, inuuna mo pa rin kaming mga kapatid mo at ang iyong pamilya mo. Hindi mo alam kung gaano kalaking bagay ang mga ginagawa mo. Yung simpleng mga tanong mo, kung kumusta na kami, at magsabi lang kami sa'yo. Those little things mean the world to me. You are one of the most generous souls I know. Hindi lang sa material na bagay, kundi sa pagmamahal, sa pag-unawa at sa dasal. You give so much of yourself without expecting anything in return. And that kind of love, sis, is very rare. Napakapalad namin dahil ikaw ang ate namin. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil binigay ka sa amin bilang kapatid at aming ate. Isa kang tunay na biyaya para sa amin. Isang anghel na may ginanto ang puso. Yung birthday mo, dalangin ko na mas lalo ka pang pagpalain ni Lord. I pray for your good health and safety. You deserve all the love and joy in the world. Sis, I hope you feel today you just how deeply you are loved and appreciated. Hindi lang ako but by everyone around you po. Continue to be the light that you are. Huwag kang magbago. The world needs more people like you. Kind, giving, compassionate, and strong. Happy golden birthday, Ate Beth. We love you more than the words can express. Take care and God bless, Ate Beth. Love you.